Hi, I'm Christian DuPont. I'm the founder and CEO of Good Sorts Property Services, and I'm excited to share with you what makes us your trusted partner in property care. At Good Sorts, we're more than just the cleaning company. We're a comprehensive partner for all your building maintenance needs. We provide a seamless, one-stop shop solution for property managers and business owners, offering everything from janitorial services to specialized maintenance. Our clients choose us because they know we simplify their lives. Instead of juggling multiple providers, you get an integrated service experience, ensuring high standards across your entire property. So what makes Good Sorts different from the rest? First, we take a people-first approach. At Good Sorts, we foster a culture where every team member feels valued and empowered. When our team feels taken care of, they provide superior care for your property, ensuring that it's not just clean, but truly cared for. Secondly, we're backed by technology. Our Checkmate system allows us to provide real-time, proactive quality assurance reporting. This gives you transparent insights into the cleanliness and maintenance of your property, ensuring our high standards are consistently met. We offer a comprehensive suite of services that streamlines communication and service delivery. You get a consistently high standard across every aspect of your property. At Good Sorts, we're here to make your property management simpler and more efficient. With our people-first approach, tech-backed service through Checkmate, and our comprehensive one-stop shop offering, you can trust us to deliver outstanding results every time. So when it comes to clean, trust Good Sorts to get the job done right.